So this video is for problems number 1 and number 2 on your paper review. Number 1 says these images are a reflection of each other, so construct the line of reflection. So since they're a reflection, all that we really have to do is grab our segment tool, and I'm going to connect a pair of pre-image and image points, maybe like the tip of this arrow and the tip of this arrow. Those would be reflection points of each other. And then all we have to do then is construct the line of reflection. So on paper, you're going to use your compass. I don't know if you can hear that. It's pretty good sneezing. Bless you. So on paper, you're going to use your compass. So I'm going to use the circle tools here, which is the same thing as a compass. What I would do is center my compass on one of the endpoints that goes out to the other endpoint like this, and then you just swap it. So this becomes the center. Now this is on our circle. So these two intersections will create the line of reflection. So there is our line of reflection for these two pictures. Problem number 2 is construct a reflection of this quadrilateral. So by compass on paper, for each point that we want to reflect, remember you need 2 circles for. Remember their centers also have to be on the line of reflection. So I'm going to just pick some point on the line here, maybe this one, and I'm going to draw my circle out so that it goes through. I'm going to reflect this point C. So I'm going to make my radius from point C that's on the line of reflection out to the point I want to reflect. So we know that C prime's got to be somewhere on the circle over here. So to pinpoint that, I'm just going to create another circle centered on the line of reflection that goes out to my point as well that I want to reflect. And notice that intersection then pinpoints the exact location of that reflection point. So now I'm going to get rid of my circles. I'll hide those. And then F now is a reflection. It's this point's reflection. So now I'm going to reflect this point D by doing the exact same thing. I'm going to make a center on the line, go out to D, make another circle with a different center on the line, go out to D. Those intersections then become our reflection point. Okay, and we just continue that process for the next 2 points. So I won't talk, I'll just do it. You can use existing points if you want to. It's all up to you. It doesn't matter. As long as those centers are on the line of reflection, we're good. Oops. Whoa. Okay, so here's my 4th point here. So now I'm just going to grab my polygon tool. What you would do, actually I'll just use my segment tool. So to finish off our shape, since these 2 points are connected and these are their intersection or their reflections, then I know that these 2 are connected. Okay, so this point then A connects to this point here, which is this reflection, so I know that that's a segment. B or whatever, the original connected to the point across the line of reflection, so I'm going to do the same thing and then connect my last 2 points. So here is my reflection of that polygon.